guys, you welcome back to my channel. My name is Blessing Ogboro. So today we are going to be making parfait. So this is my strawberry and grape. I soaked it in water with baking soda and salt and a little bit of vinegar just to get rid of the. Okay, right here I am already dicing my strawberries. Yeah, you can actually cut it and dice it to any kind of shape you want and size. Just do whatever you like and make it fun. Okay. Okay, so guys, as you can see, everything is washed and arranged and cut into sizes that I like. You can cut your own into any size and shape of your choice. So first of all, we are going to be using apple. Yeah, I'm going to be using this diced and beautifully cut apple. And we are also going to be using some grapes. You can cut it to any size of your choice. And here we have strawberry. We are also going to be using strawberry, which I cut into tiny bits. And honey. The reason I'm using honey is because I'm going to be using unsweetened yogurt. Yeah, so you can use sweetened yogurt or unsweetened yogurt. Just anything you like to use for yours. And here we are also going to be using our granola. Yeah, I'm using tropical granola. Yeah, I normally buy this because it has dried fruit. Yeah, we have coconut, dried bananas and all that in here, so feel free to use any granola of your choice. There are different types in the market. And here is yogurt. I'm going to be using this yogurt. By the way, I made this yogurt all by myself. So hey, so guys, these are my glasses. I'm going to be using my glass cup. You can actually use the plastic cup. Yeah, the rubber cup. Those ones you can find at the supermarket. Just get anyone. So I'm going to be adding my yogurt first. The thing about making parfait is that it's just layering. You have to put this, to just do you. But the important thing is that you get your ingredient right. You use the things you are going to be using. Everything is in order. So you are going to just put like two spoons into your cup, like I'm doing right here. See guys, by this time daughter of Zion was already tempted. I was tempted. I was feeling like I need to eat this fruit. So that's one thing you have to be careful of. Now just see me adding this fruit. This is my strawberry and I felt like eating it. And my kids, they were here. They were here. Oh, as you can see, the way the red and the white is popping. Like my daughter, Radiance and Flourish, they were just like, Mom. And I'm like, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. So be careful so you don't end up eating everything. That's just what I have to say. So right now we're going to be adding another layer of our yogurt. Yeah, see, you can use any yogurt of your choice. I'm using a Greek yogurt here. You can use any yogurt of your choice. So just layer it, add in another set of yogurt right here. That's what I'm doing. This color is so amazing, it's beautiful and it's tempting, like tempting. So just layer everything just like so, and you can see, then we feel it today. I can't wait for me to eat this, guys. Okay, so guys, so right now we're going to be adding apples. Yeah, this apple, the reason I am putting so much, as you can see, is because my kids, they love apple a lot. Like, they go crazy for it. It's one of their best fruits to eat. Yeah, so one thing about making parfait is that while making your own at home, you get to use things as you like. You can just do anything you want based on how you like it. So right here, I'm going to be adding another layer of yogurt. Yeah, go ahead and add your yogurt. Yeah, just like that, kind of, arrange everything, make everything pop and beautiful. Now that we are done adding the yogurt, now we are going to be adding our grapes. Yeah, and this is another beautiful color. By the way, grape is my favorite fruit of all time. Like, I go crazy for it. If you offend me, just give me that grape to eat. Buy for me and I will forgive you immediately. I'm not saying that you can buy my forgiveness, so, but then that's what I'm saying. So just add that, and now we are going to be adding another layer of yogurt. Yeah, we are going to, but first let me arrange everything. Make sure you spread everything out before adding the yogurt again, like that, and it's popping. I'm tempted. Now that we are done adding, okay guys, we are ready to add in the granola. Yeah, feel free to use as much as you want. The reason we are adding this at the end is because we want to retain that crunch. That crunch is everything. It just makes everything delightful, delicious, and you are going to enjoy it, trust. Okay, so right now I'm going to be adding another layer of apple. Yeah, I'm adding this because I like a little extra something. Yeah, and just do you. This is the advantage of doing yours at home yourself. You can afford to go extra. You know what I mean? So that is it. Okay, so right now I'm going to be adding the honey. Yeah, we want that sweetness, guys. So just add your honey, drizzle it. We don't want so much, depending on you. If you like it sweet, go ahead and just do you. Right now we're adding our full grape. Yeah, feel free to not add anything. Yeah, but I'm just adding this because I have it, and I have this right now. I'm using Himalaya salt, the pink salt. Feel free, this is my secret to a very sweet and delicious parfait. So guys, thanks for watching. Thank you so much, guys. So feel free to subscribe, share, like, and show me some love. Have a wonderful time with your loved ones, family, friends. Bye guys.